how to upload a CapCut video to TikTok using the latest method. I'll also share a few tips to help maintain the best video quality. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and either create a new project or open a video you've already finished editing. Before exporting, tap anywhere outside the timeline to deselect your clips. Then, scroll through the bottom toolbar and tap Ratio. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16, which is the recommended vertical format for TikTok. If your video uses a different ratio, it may not display correctly on the platform. Once everything looks good, tap the Export button in the top right corner. Wait for the video to finish exporting and save it to your device. If CapCut asks you to share the video directly to TikTok, it's usually better to skip that option and simply save the video first. Then open the TikTok app, tap the plus button, and select Upload or Gallery to choose the exported video. Next, tap Next, add a catchy caption, include a few relevant hashtags, adjust your privacy settings if needed, and then tap Post to publish your video. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded your CapCut video to TikTok with the correct settings for the best viewing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick CapCut and TikTok tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.